Cherish the meek, cherish the ranchers, cherish the guards, then cherish the bankers, cherish the virgins, then ride them and cherish their sisters. Cherish tax exiles and entrepreneurs, cherish the rewards of intergenerational privilege, or if that's too hard for beginners, just cherish the rose of Tralee for starters. Cherish the goal and the point and the foul. Cherish the priest's dirty sheets, but not the woman who washes them. Don't mention her and what she might need. Go on though and cherish the IFSC and its type of laundries. Those ones are grand. They're fine, sure. Cherish them. Cherish the men, because they couldn't help it if the women and girls went and fell pregnant. Cherish the fetus, the heartbeat, but not the person it's in. And then cherish the small graves in their undisclosed wastelands. Cherish the shovels and the boot soles that dug them. Let there be no doubt about it. Yes, we can. Cherish the children, if they're from the right class and aren't travelling people or not, God forbid, seeking asylum. Don't forget too that we must cherish the mute and cherish the sheepish, but hate those in need. Worship Father Peter McFerry himself. Go ahead and make him an icon, but don't listen to what he's saying about anything. Cherish the poor for how you can use them to frighten those who are just one rung above. Cherish the people who learned early and often what happens to those with big mouths. Cherish your local TDs and the crowd in Listowel who didn't care that he raped her. Sure, wasn't he one of their own? Yeah, cherish the rapist, why don't you? Cherish the golf course and its sprinklers. Sure, Irish Water will save us. Cherish piecework and internships and 0-hour contracts. Sure, aren't you lucky to have a job at all? Do you not remember the coffin ships? Are you not grateful? Oh yeah, cherish your own exploitation. Cherish the school board for the lack of gay teachers. Then cherish women's place in the home and cut their allowances. Sure, they don't deserve them after having all of those children. Repeat after me, cherish privatisation. And if you don't, then you better learn to cherish the knock on your door in the morning. Consider this a warning. Cherish Dev and Pierce and blood sacrifice. Don't mention James Connolly, who said that until Ireland's women are free, none of us will be. Most of all though, cherish outsourcing. And remember, your call is important. You too can be cherished equally if you can afford it as soon as an operator becomes available. But that may well take another 100 years.